When designing websites, it's important to make sure everyone can use them easily. One way we do this is by using color contrast. Color contrast means choosing colors that make it easier for people with vision problems to see the text. By using colors that stand out from each other, we can make sure that everyone, even those who have trouble seeing, can read and understand the content. It's just one way that we can create inclusive digital experiences that prioritize equal access for all users regardless of their visual capabilities. It's imperative when using color on a page to ensure that there is strong contrast between the text and the background. Poor contrast may not be legible, which it can impact all users, but in particular those with vision challenges. If using a dark background color, for example, in a table heading, ensure there is enough contrast. Similarly, with headings on a white background, you don't want the font to be a shade too light. You can see the color contrast ratios here on the screen, and these are also included in the Notion database. We also want to avoid using color to convey information. Users with color deficiencies, such as blind, colorblind, and low vision users, may not be able to distinguish between certain colors, such as red and green. This is why it's important not to use only colors and instead label content appropriately. This can be done by using icons and providing text labels. Lastly, we want to ensure that our site elements stand out. The use of color can be a very effective tool in helping your interactive elements stand out for users. Making links and buttons visible will help users easily identify at a glance which areas are clickable. It's important to also check that these input elements are at sufficient color contrast levels. Make use of white space around buttons or links as well. This is an added benefit to users with cognitive challenges.